Title: The Depths of the Mind, an Exploration of Human Psychology. Psychology, the scientific study of the mind and behavior, delves into the intricacies of human thought, emotion, and action. This book aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the key concepts, theories, and applications of psychology, making it accessible to both beginners and those seeking a deeper knowledge of the subject. Chapter 1: Introduction to Psychology. 1.1 What is psychology? Psychology is the scientific discipline that studies mental processes and behavior. It encompasses a wide range of topics, including perception, cognition, emotion, motivation, brain functioning, personality, behavior, and interpersonal relationships. 1.2 Historical development. From ancient philosophies to modern scientific methods, psychology has evolved significantly. Key figures like Sigmund Freud, B.F. Skinner, and Carl Rogers have shaped the field, each contributing unique perspectives and theories. 1.3 Branches of psychology. 1. Clinical psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental illness. 2. Cognitive psychology studies mental processes like perception, memory, and problem solving. 3. Developmental psychology examines psychological growth throughout a lifespan. 4. Social psychology investigates how individuals influence and are influenced by others. 5. Industrial organizational psychology applies psychological principles to workplace environments. Chapter 2: Research methods in psychology. 2.1 Scientific approach. Psychology relies on empirical evidence and the scientific method. Research involves forming hypotheses, conducting experiments, and analyzing data to draw conclusions. 2.2 Research designs. 1. Experimental investigates cause and effect relationships through controlled conditions. 2. Correlational examines relationships between variables without implying causation. 3. Qualitative explores complex phenomena through interviews, case studies, and observation. 2.3 Ethical considerations. Ethical guidelines ensure the protection of research participants, emphasizing informed consent, confidentiality, and the right to withdraw. Chapter 3: Biological foundations of behavior. 3.1 The nervous system. The brain and nervous system are central to understanding behavior. Key components include neurons, neurotransmitters, and brain structures like the cortex, limbic system, and brainstem. 3.2 Genetics and behavior. Behavioral genetics explores how genes and environment influence behavior. Twin and adoption studies provide insights into the heritability of traits. 3.3 The role of hormones. Hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, play crucial roles in regulating behavior, stress responses, and emotional states. Chapter 4: Learning and memory. 5.1 Classical and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning, discovered by Pavlov, involves learning through association. Operant conditioning, studied by Skinner, focuses on learning through rewards and punishments. 5.2 Cognitive learning theories. Cognitive theories emphasize the role of mental processes. Bandura's social learning theory highlights observational learning, while Piaget's stages of cognitive development map out how thinking evolves in children. 5.3 Memory systems. Memory involves encoding, storage, and retrieval. Theories distinguish between short-term and long-term memory, with subtypes like episodic, semantic, and procedural memory. Chapter 5: Motivation and emotion. 6.1 Theories of motivation. 1. Biological theories include drive reduction and arousal theories. 2. Psychosocial theories, Maslow's hierarchy of needs and self-determination theory. 3. Cognitive theories, expectancy value theory and goal-setting theory. 6.2 Understanding emotions. Emotions are complex reactions involving physiological arousal, expressive behavior, and conscious experience. 6.3 Stress and coping. Stress is a response to perceived threats or challenges. Coping strategies are mechanisms to manage stress, including problem-focused and emotion-focused approaches. Chapter 6, Developmental Psychology. 7.1 Lifespan Development. Developmental psychology examines changes across the lifespan, from infancy. Key areas include physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional development. 7.2 Child development. Piaget's stages of cognitive development and Erikson's psychosocial stages provide frameworks for understanding childhood growth. 7.3 Adulthood and aging. Adulthood involves navigating career, relationships, and identity. Aging research explores cognitive decline, social changes, and the psychology of dying. Chapter 8, Therapy and Treatment. 10.2 Biomedical therapies. Medication, electroconvulsive therapy, ECT, and other medical treatments address psychological disorders. 10.3 Emerging treatments. Innovations in therapy include mindfulness-based approaches and virtual reality exposure therapy.